Hi, I'm Ellie Pasquale, and I'm going to be making one of my favorite salads today, which is an arugula salad with the red wine glazed lentils on top. Alright, so here are the cooked lentils. I'm just going to spoon a couple of scoops onto this bed of arugula. That looks good. And then I'm going to add some avocado. You can really add whatever you like at this part. I just like to add avocado and a couple of other things. Oh no, it's not quite ripe enough. There we go. And I like to add some feta cheese as well. Some olive oil. Top it with some pumpkin seeds. And some freshly cracked sea salt. Perfect. So one of the reasons why I really like this salad is I think it's a really good combination of both raw and cooked vegetables. And the lentils are great because they're packed with protein, and so sometimes salads, like, it's hard to get one that'll like fill you up for a really long time, but the lentils keep you full. So it's a great one that like I can pack and bring with me for my lunch at work. And it's really good as leftovers too.